bestie, to go get some food because we wasted our time. We wasted our time this morning trying to go get some shoes. But spend the day with us. They was not there. They played with us.
Yeah,
They did. Yeah. Part 1. Oh, and then I gotta be at work at 4, and we're in a whole different town. And making money on the side. Priorities all fucked up. We got the baby that's baking, and we got the baby in the back.
The baby that's baking in the back. That's crazy. That was a good one. That was a good one.
I don't like driving by people who drive motorcycles. Just because like they be like in the switch lanes real fast, and I don't like that. So we made it to our location, the First Watch. Long ass fucking wait, but we gonna eat.
It's long.
A long way. Talking about somebody gonna send a text message. Bitch, what? Our little coffee.